You know, when many first start marketing on the internet, the first thing they want to do is spread their links all over Facebook. You soon find out that achieving success that way is extremely difficult and frustrating. There's just a lot you just need to understand. You got to learn web design, sales funnels, autoresponders, capture pages, free traffic methods, paid traffic methods, sales conversions, videos, images, social media, and everything else I'm not mentioning. It took me a while to learn all this stuff, but I did. You know what helped me to get there faster? I hired a coach.
You have to let it all go, Neo. Fear, doubt, and disbelief. Free your mind.
Why? Because I got tired of wasting a lot of time and money trying to figure out everything myself. And since then, man, we've had a lot of success on the internet. It all started for us when we finally decided to hire a mentor, and I had a few of them. And without me reaching out for help, there's no telling where we would be right now. So how many opportunities are you going to continue to struggle with without reaching out for help like I did? Lucky for you, I'm mentoring people right now who need that extra personal support. And if that's you and you've been promoting a business, screw that. Let's put together a plan that can launch your business. You can do it, you just need a little direction. You're actually closer than you think on having your breakthrough. Are you ready for that? If so, click the link in the post or click the link inside the YouTube description. And don't forget to subscribe. You'll be glad that you did. So hit me up and let's take your business to the next level. You deserve it.